Welcome, Inform is a Nokia 5.3 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And to get started, let's open up content that we wish to capture. I'm gonna open up settings as an example. And from here, once it's open, all you need to do is press power key and volume down. Actually, it looks like we have to hold it. So yeah, hold it and you get this loud and very outdated sound of capture being, or screenshot being captured. You also get this pop-up as you just seen right here to signify that we have captured it. And from there we also had a couple options. So you could see, there we go, we have delete, edit and share. So that is how you could capture a screenshot. Now sometimes there's also another option by holding the power key, and yep, there it is. So screenshot, not as convenient I would say, because you do need to hold it and then also tap. If you're already going to be holding something, you might as well just hold power key and volume down. That's personal opinion. And sometimes there's also a toggle right here, which looks like it's actually not the case. Oh no, there we go. Screen capture. I think this is it. Let me quickly check. This could be a recording, but nope, it's the same thing. Now unfortunately this one you would have to add first and to use it, and as you just seen, to add it you tap on the pencil and just drag it over to here, and then all you need to do is tap on the toggle. Now anyway, once you capture all those screenshots, you can find them in your photo gallery. So there we go. There are all the screenshots that I have captured. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.